Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm reviewing the 50's stock car, or Caleb Worley. So, Caleb Worley is a race car that used to compete in the Piston Cup back in the 50's. He was sponsored by All Good Auto Parts, King Bowling Alley, Revolting, and Dynaco. And, well, and here we go. He looks kind of similar to what's his face, River Scott, eh? Or the model. Doesn't he? I think he's based on a variant of a 1938 dirt track racer, which should be pretty obvious since piston cup races used to be held on dirt. But in 1938, don't really believe it, to be honest. But still, carrying on with the review, see he's got, as you can see, he's got a nice grey colour with a nice little cream bit along the side, detail context. And number 3 was sort of whoosh effect on the side, the right side. It all good auto parts, as I said. Dynaco and Revolting. That's just behind the wheel. King Bowling Alley, which is just above that little vent there. Let's say all good. No, all parts all good. I'm sure that's all good auto parts slogan. Here we go. It says we probably can't see it that well, but it says his hometown, which is Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Caleb Worley is name. Just number 3 on the top. Sorry, Caleb. On the back, number 3. He's just a very simple race car. Here's the base, 37. So I'm assuming 37th week, 2023. I don't know. I don't know really. That's just what I assume.